Hello and welcome to Good Games Tech. This is our first video. I hope you enjoy it. Today we'll actually be unboxing the Colorful 2080 Super. They have three variants of a 2080 Super, but this is the cheapest model of the three. Colorful have been around in the Chinese markets for ages, and they're really making a push into the Western markets. Their main focus is mainly being price competitive. As we unbox this, you'll see where they've actually managed to save some of that money. But at least they definitely push those savings onto the consumer, because at the time of buying, this card was much cheaper than any other 2080 Super I could find. So when opening the box, you notice it's actually a pretty basic plain box, but honestly I prefer not to have spent any extra money on a box, particularly, this isn't a special edition or something that's extreme overclockable or anything interesting like that. So a really basic cheap box is definitely fine. In the box, all you really get is this tiny slip that really has barely any information, and the GPU. That's it. You get nothing else, not even any adapter cables, which in reality you can kind of see this is the first step where they are trying to cut the cost down, and they're going to pass on a little bit of those savings to the consumer in the end. The RGB on the side actually looks pretty basic. I think it might be only one color. I'll check it out and I'll update you guys when I find out what you can do with it. We'll be posting the RGB and some performance results soon, so check out that video. Hope you've enjoyed our first video and subscribe for more content.